Legal? Are you Brazilian?
Yeah.
Nice.
So you were born in Brazil but raised in the US?
Yes.
Tasca right here at Costa Dre, DACOSTADRE. I'll see you guys there.
Just wrapped up meeting with Andre. Super awesome dude. Love meeting people. They're all about the hustle. Right now I'm heading back to Rob's house. So about to reach out to some people, see if I can get some work while I'm here in LA. Make the best of my time here. I head up another production company on IG. They're called Ridge Productions. They're here based in LA. I've been following them for a little bit.
This is not just point and shoot. We are a media strategy agency that can create your year-round online visual presence.
It's more than media.
Concepts, strategy, culture. This is us. Ridge Production.
We pretty much hit them up like, yo, like you guys work. I'm here in LA till Monday. I'm looking to pretty much work for free, running to get coffees, doing PA work, picking up garbage on set. And they pretty much hit me back up and they're like, yo, give us a call. We're definitely looking for something like that. But you know what I mean? I hit up 3 people since I got here. So it's one of those things like, 1 out of 3 odds, like that's pretty good. If you want to learn and you like trying to get experience, like you just have to be willing to work for free. But it's all about the knowledge that I'm like willing to learn and experience I'm willing to get from giving up my time. Especially being in LA, working with a fucking dope production company.
It's just 8 o'clock in the morning, Sunday, headed over to Long Beach.
Doing coffee. Ready to go. What up? So I'm in Long Beach. I forgot to vlog the beginning of the day because I got here and I was trying to help them set up for the shoot. So far it's been a pretty dope day. I got to work with the Red, which I've never got a chance to do that before. Pretty cool crew. I'm doing a little bit of like PA and assisting, learning, and it's pretty dope.
Check it out. Forget about that for a second. Where's the shot? Right? Where's the shot? Direct that. Right? Where's the shot? Yeah, this is way better, right? Yeah. And you have the fucking sound. Why are your boys
You mean Ollie?
I like my pose.
It looks awesome, but it needs to be slightly forward.
It's like a pose.